Ohayou gozaimasu! O genki desu ka? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another episode of Puppet Making and Puppetry under What's Your Hobby?
Hey friends! Ice creams are delicious and my favorite ones are the popsicles. But what happens after we finish eating them? Only the stick remains. But today I will show you how to make beautiful puppets with popsicle sticks. Let's head out and see how they can be made. Let us quickly look into the things which we'll be needing in making our popsicle stick puppets. So the main material which we'll be needing to making the popsicle stick puppets are these colorful popsicle sticks. You can use normal popsicle sticks as well and color them according to your choice. But since I have colored popsicle sticks, I'm using them. Then you need design sheets. You can also design sheets on your own. You need sketch pens. Glue is required, so I have this Fevicol glue, and along with that I have the glue gun. You will need black and white A4 sheets. Along with that, scissors are needed. Pencils will also need to make some sketches, and along with that, to beautify the puppets we need these colorful crystals. So that's all. Let's head on to make our cute little popsicle stick puppets. Our first step is making the body of the puppet. For that, we need to fix two popsicle sticks in an A-shaped fashion. So let's see. Let this dry for some minutes. This has dried up enough. Now we have to make our triangle shaped with another popsicle stick. Again, we'll let this thing dry for some minutes. Now it's time to make the hands and the legs. So with two popsicle sticks, we'll make two hands and two legs. Let us see how. Okay, so here are our limbs. Using the black sketch pen, let us make the shoes of the puppet. here are our legs along with the shoes as well. Now what? Now we need to stick these shoes to the right places. So here are the legs. Now it's time to make the hands. So with the cutout portions of the legs we'll make the hands. Let's fix it here. Okay. But before that, let us make some design on the hands as well. Now we can attach these hands. So here are the hands. This is the designer sheet dress I selected for my doll. So let me cut this out. See friends, I have cut out my dress. Now we have to put it on the puppet. Our puppet is ready with its dress. We have to draw a cute little face on this white A4 sheet paper. Okay, so let's start with drawing a circle. So you can see this is the cutout portion, but we need to make the hair and the pony as well. Let's cut out this part. Now it's time to fix them. Done. Eyes. Cute, right? We have to stick this so your puppet is ready. But some crystals need to be added in the pony. I have added a cute little pom-pom here to make it look cuter. I have also made another one of the same puppet so that they can enjoy each other's company. So this is Rosie and this is Daisy. Rosie and Daisy are best of friends. They always stay together in school. They share food and stationery. Rosie and Daisy help each other in studies and play together in the evening. That was the story of two best friends. You can also create such pair of best friends using popsicle sticks and designer sheets. Try surely at your home. Those who are new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, check out the Sparkle Box craft kit in which you'll get all the craft items together. Like my video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications and updates. Signing off for today. Stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.